Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell the solutions of exercise 10.5 from Circles chapter from NCERT class 9. This is third problem. In the given figure, angle PQR is equal to 100 degrees. This is the angle where PQR are points on a circle with center O. So PQR are points on this circle and the center of the circle is O. So here we have to find angle OPR. So here we have to find this angle OPR. So if you see this figure, in this figure PR is a major arc and the angle subtended by this major arc PR at center O is angle P reflex angle POR, that is equal to 2 times the angle subtended by this major arc at any point, that is Q. So here reflex angle POR is equal to 2 times angle PQR. So reflex angle POR we can write as, see here, this is 360 degrees. 360 minus angle POR is equal to reflex angle POR. So 360 minus angle POR is equal to 2 into angle PQR here is, that is given 100 degrees, that is 200 degrees. Therefore 360 minus 200 is equal to minus POR, that becomes plus POR on right side. So angle POR, therefore angle POR is equal to 360 minus 200, that is 160 degrees. Now we have to find angle OPR. So this angle we have to find. This is the angle of this triangle. See here, this triangle. So take this triangle. In triangle OPR, OP is equal to OR. These two sides of this triangle are equal because these two are radii of the same circle. And we know that angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. So see this triangle. So these two angles are equal because these two sides are equal. Therefore, angle OPR, this angle is equal to angle ORP, this angle. And we know that sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So, angle POR plus angle OPR plus angle ORP, these three angle sum is 180 degrees. And angle POR is 160 degrees. So, right here plus angle OPR plus angle ORP is equal to angle OPR. Therefore, plus angle OPR is equal to 180. Then, 2 angle OPR is equal to 180 minus 160, that is 20 degrees. And angle OPR is equal to 20 by 2, that is 10 degrees. This is fourth problem. In the given figure, angle ABC is equal to 69 degrees and angle ACB is equal to this angle 31 degrees. Find angle BDC. So we have to find this angle BDC. So these two are two triangles and we have to find this angle, and but we know the angles of this triangle ABC. So first take this triangle and find this angle, and these two angles are angles in the same segment. So if you find this angle, that is equal to this angle. So take this triangle first. In triangle ABC, we know that sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore, angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC. These three angle sum is 180 degrees. And this angle is 69 degrees plus 31 plus angle BAC. This angle, that is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle BAC is equal to 180 minus 69 plus 31 is 100 degrees. That is equal to 80 degrees. Therefore, once you calculate this angle, angle BAC is equal to angle BDC, because these two angles are angles in the same segment. Those are equal. Therefore, angle BDC is equal to 80 degrees. And this is fifth question. In the given figure, A, B, C and D are 4 points on a circle. See here, A, B, C and D are 4 points on the circle, and AC and BD intersect at a point E. So, AC and BD, these two line segments intersect at the point E, and such that angle BEC is equal to 130 degrees. So, here this angle BEC is equal to 130 degrees and angle ECD is equal to 20 degrees. So, angle ECD, this angle is equal to 20 degrees, and find angle BAC. So, here we have to find angle BAC. This angle we have to find. So, if you see this figure here, this angle is given, this triangle. So, first take this triangle and let us assume angle EBC is equal to x degrees and angle ECB, that is equal to y degrees, and take this triangle. In triangle BEC, we know that sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Angle EBC plus angle ECB, ECB plus angle BEC is equal to 180 degrees. So here angle EBC is x degrees. So x plus y plus angle BEC that is given in the problem, that is 130 degrees. So 130 is equal to 180 degrees. Then x plus y is equal to 180 minus 130, that is equal to 50 degrees. This is first equation. Next we have to take this triangle because we have to calculate this angle, but why we are taking this triangle? Because we know this angle 20 degrees that is given in the problem. So take this triangle. In triangle BDC, we know that sum of angles of the triangle is 180. So see here this triangle, angle BDC, triangle BDC, x plus this is the angle x plus angle BDC plus this angle is y plus 20, because see here here this is 20 degrees and this is y, so this angle is y plus 20. So y plus 20 is equal to 180 degrees, and x plus y plus angle BDC is equal to 180 minus 20, that is 160 degrees. And x plus y, we know that from the equation 1, that is 50 degrees. So 50 plus angle BDC is equal to 160 degrees. Therefore, angle BDC is equal to 160 minus 50, that is 110 degrees. So once you calculate this angle, angle BDC, these two angles are angles in the same segment. So angle BAC is equal to 110 degrees because these two angles are equal, angles in the same segment. Now please do these practice questions. And here are the answers.